Now, we also, when you come closer in, people can see that the handle is attached to the aluminum and not to the wood. We have almost all tables have the handles just ripped out. Then we have retaining jaws, if you want. So when we put the legs down, they hold the legs closed, and so when you open the table, they just don't swing out and create some problems. Moreover, the mechanism for cutting the paper, we made it a little bit more sophisticated, and we have here a retaining tab that avoids that it's opening up. The tables come with a card holder. This is for us, making it with card or without card holder is the same thing. And I want to show you also the fabric we are using for the tables. We experimented the last 10 years with the fabric, and the original tables, they cracked here, where the headpiece is. They used to crack here. And then I started to change the fabric and to experiment. And then what we noticed is the fabric started to crack where people have the head in late transform and in awakened care. So with this fabric now that we use since 5 years, we don't see any change. And so we have chosen this fabric for all the tables. Now for our office we have chosen this color, but you have a variety of choices for the color that you want to have for your office. I show you how this, as you can see, the retaining mechanism is the same as for the wheels. You just slide it in. Okay. And then you just tighten it up. Oops. That's when you turn with the left hand in the same direction. Okay, done.